Southern Roots family. I hope you all are having a great day. We're doing a little road tripping today, and we are going to see Shannon. Yes, Chatterbox Gals is going to go live together, in person together, for the first time today. It's going to be awesome. We're about to meet up and eat some delicious Mexican food at one of our favorite Mexican restaurants to eat at when we get together. And then we're going to go live with Chatterbox Gals. It's been a while since we got to get together due to Shannon being out of town and different things with her neck she's had to take care of, and headaches and stuff, and due to sickness on my end. So yeah, it's kind of been crazy for a little while. Anyway, it's finally happening today. Today is the first day of February, which means it's my birthday week. Yes, the big 4-5 is going to hit me Thursday. So this week is going to have so many videos, so many things going on. It's been requested that I do an air fryer series. So yes, that's going to kick off today. So this evening, a video of something being cooked in the air fryer will drop. I don't typically use the air fryer a lot for my main meals. I have occasionally. I actually do have maybe 2 or 3 recipes, videos on the channel that include the air fryer. I'm going to cut the heat on. I got the air going and it's 57 in this car. So yeah, it's going to be interesting to see what we get to cook up this month in the air fryer. This week is going to be epic. Today is going to be epic. I'm so excited to be going to see Shannon and to be kicking off Chatterbox Gals together and live today. Can't wait for that. Of course, by the time you see it, it's going to be, see this video, it's going to be over with. So make sure, if you didn't watch it today, go back, watch that live. Anyway, if you haven't subscribed to Southern Roots, we'd appreciate it if you'd subscribe. If you have, hey, thanks for putting up with us and hanging out. And anyway, make sure you hit the bell so you get all the lovely video notifications when we post or if we go live. Keep a lookout on our community page. You never know what's going to show up there. Hey, leave a comment. We do respond. Anyway, guys, let's sit back and let's join some of these people out on the road. Maybe we won't get creamed today, we hope. All crazy drivers, you never know. But I want you guys to check this out. Look who I am following. Well, can't get my camera to turn around. Hang on, I'll show you just a second. Check out who I'm behind. Yes, I am behind one of our bread trucks. I'm following my son. His mother is stalking him. I wonder if he knows. Anyway, enjoy some of the road, and we'll check back in when we hit the kitchen. Or actually, we may check back in today. We met up with Shannon, so here we go. probably can. Guess what? It's raining now. Check it out. Nothing heavy. Just enough to mess up the glass here and there, the windshield. Look at that cloud cover though. Woo. Hanging low and a little dark. Alright guys, we are headed back from lunch. Went and met Shannon from Journey Along with Shannon. Done our Chatterbox Gals live together for the first time ever. And it was a blast. Had some great Mexican food. Tell on the road, they've already been out spraying the solution on the roads. Thursday, it's like a 90-something% chance of winter mix, I guess. So this could get interesting. Because if we get just the slightest bit down here, people start freaking out. Because it's not something that we usually get a lot of. So yeah, stuff starts flying off the shelf at the store, and since we own a couple of bread routes, sometimes that gets quite crazy because people want bread and they expect you to be able to pull it out of thin air. Well, it doesn't work that way. I mean, we put it in the store, and once it's gone from the store, I'm sorry, but that's just how it is. It's gone. And but needless to say, we are headed back to our home turf. Gotta make a stop by Walmart. I think I have decided I'm going to do pork loin in the air fryer tonight. That's going to kick off the air fryer series that I was talking about earlier. Danielle, this air fryer series is just for you. You're the one that requested it, so the air fryer series is what you're going to get. Anyway, this week is going to be an epic week. I'm going to kick off my air fryer series this evening. I'll drop that video later on. I have the new line I started on Thursdays called the Recipe Box. 11 o'clock Central Standard Time. That's AM. We're going to be doing some vintage cooking. I think this week we're going to be visiting the 1930s. be a lot of fun. The 1930s was when a lot of what they call crazy cakes, I think it was, came out. So I'm going to be making a lemon crazy cake, some kind of potato rolls, and chicken. And y'all don't laugh, because I'm not sure how to say it, if it's Devon or Devon. I'm not sure. Y'all excuse my voice, it is still super scratchy. But anyway, that's going to be coming up. So that's what's going to be on the recipe box Thursday. And then that video with me actually cooking it and the recipe and links and all that will be premiered Thursday afternoon at 12 Central Standard Time is when it will drop. Friday, the food challenge collaboration that's going on with Tiffany from Small Town 6. This month is Sweets for the Sweet. That video is going to be dropping Friday at, I think it's 11 Central my time, a.m. that is. I made what is called a Jeff Davis pie. So yeah, that video is coming down. So an epic week full of videos, full of a lot of fun stuff. Some fun stuff coming up next week. I didn't do a live yesterday. I kind of took the afternoon off, and I do that. I try to do that maybe at least once a month. I'm not sure what I'm going to be doing with my Monday afternoon lives. For the next little while, I may go to every other week. I'm kind of still tossing that around. But yeah, needless to say, we're on our way home. Gonna stop by the store, and we're gonna get home and see what we can come up with as far as cooking a pork loin in the air fryer. Can't wait to try it. I hope it turns out super juicy, super good. And yeah, so the next time I see you, I'll be in the kitchen. So, later guys. Alright, so here we go. I'm in the kitchen now. What I decided to do is I went by Walmart, picked up 2 of their Smithfield slow roasted golden rotisserie flavored pork loins. So these guys are pre-seasoned up. I'll just slice it open right here. Pull it out. They smell amazing. Let's get this other one open. I've got my air fryer, which I have the Air Fryer Pro Series. I've got it preheating on 380. Let it preheat for about 5 minutes. I've wrapped my tray in full, trying to save on a little bit of mess. All right. So I have fit both pork loins on here. They're gonna go in my air fryer on 380 for 40 minutes. And then, yeah, we're gonna see how these babies turn out. So let me get these in the fryer. All right, looky there. Got the air fryer nice and heated. Slid them in there. So let's get this door shut. Now, $3.80. 40 minutes. So click the light on. Woo. And there we go. We'll be back shortly, you guys. Guys, don't those look delicious? Let's temp one and see what we get. Oh yeah, 165. We are done. So I'm gonna let them hang out and rest. Look at the juice just oozing out of there. And we'll be back when we slice it. All right, let's slice into this. It looks amazing. I'm curious to see if it's going to be juicy. Let's have a look. Let's see. Y'all have to ignore my crew. They got something on the computer going on. Here we go. Woo! Look at them juices. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed this video. First one of the air fryer series. And we will catch you next time here on Southern Roots. Later, guys.